Lady, today we're going to be looking at this platform, the platform that is accessible wherever you are, the platform that its age limit is as low as 13 years compared to other platforms, and you can earn from this platform in one or the other. There are different ways of earning from this platform, but I always bring a platform, or I always bring a method that I've tested, that I've tried to earn from it, and also withdrawn from it. I prefer more to use this platform by watching ads, by watching videos, by watching streams. So this shows to you that in this platform that you're going to watch today, or you're going to listen to me today, you expect a lot of areas where you can earn from. You can earn from completing offers, you can earn from taking surveys, you can earn from playing games, watching streams, listening to music, watching clips, as you have been telling you, taking quiz, frying frappies, daily challenges, and very many more. So it has more than 7 ways of earning from it. But me, I'm going to make it easier for you. We are going to look at one method, the one method I've used, that is watching streams and watching clips. This method is so simple. Why is it so simple? One of the things that I've liked from it, you don't hustle like any other platform whereby you need to put next, next, next. This one, you let it open, you let it go as you get your points. Remember, I've told you that every 1 minute of watching on this platform gives you 1 point. And we'll be seeing exactly how many points are you supposed to have for you to redeem, or for you to get out your money. Your question, I know, at the back of your mind, as usual, the doubting tomatoes and the people who are new in this game, you're like, Christine, is this legible? Is this legit? Yes, it is legit. Why is it legit? They are not asking you to deposit an amount of money. Wherever they're asking you to deposit, disclaimer, you deposit at your own risk. But why I'm bringing for you this, I know I've not deposited any money, I've not invested anything. So these all the 8 ways of earning money. Let's look at how you can get money from watching videos, from watching the live stream, and from also watching the clips. Let's go together. But before we go together, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, the lady that says, I hate poverty. And we always say that we came up as Immaculate Show and associates to let you know that your mindset, what you have in your hands, and what you focus on determines the level of the success, the level of the money you're going to get. We also encourage for individuals to learn how to fish from within and around them than for them to always put their hands like this to put fish there. Because that fish they are giving you, any money they donate to you, any money they give you, will have a time limit. But when you know how to fish for yourself, you will not suffer. Can we go together and dive in and see this method? How is it done? We are going to see how do you access it, how do you do it, and how do you expect to withdraw your money. Let's see what this Reward Day IO platform is all about. First and foremost, let's know that Reward Day is a reward platform which you can use to earn points for redemption of gift cards and also other offers that will be put there. For you, if you have anything that is pinching you, that you want to answer your queries, or there's something that you don't understand, they have a support system at support@reward.io. This reward, you can find it both on Android and on iPhone. So you're very free for you to go there, download your app by registering with the system. How do you register the system? This is the second way for you to start off the game of earning money on this app. One, they are going to ask you, either you can register using your Google, you can register using Facebook, you can register using even other methods that you'll find there. You will register with the one that you feel is very favorable for you. For you to register on this app, you have to be above 13 years. So meaning that if you're below 13 years, you are not welcome on this app. The second thing, before we go very far, you need to know that you are not supposed to use VPN on this app. So they want you to use it direct, like the way it is. This calls for some countries whereby most of Asian and African countries, they use VPN. So please don't use it, because if you use it, they will disqualify you or terminate you. Then the third one you need to know is that on this app, on this website, you are not supposed to have two accounts on one person. So what you do, you are supposed to use one account, and you're supposed to be as specific, accurate, precise, and be truthful. You can also go there and read about the terms and conditions of all of them. They can terminate you at any time. You can also be terminated at any time. Now let's dive in and see the main gist, the main thing that we want on this app. What do we want on this app? We want money, money, and money. And how do you earn money? There are different ways. I already told you different ways of earning on this platform. And how do you earn on this platform? There is one completing offers, there is taking surveys, playing games, watching streams, listening to music, watching clips, taking quiz, frappe bad, daily challenges. There is also bonus points. There you can go ahead and join raffles that are always there. And the most common that we have been seeing in all other platforms is invite friends. For you to invite friends, it means it's one of the new, by the way, that they just added there, the daily challenges and inviting friends. So you can also tap into that, and you use your code and get the bonuses that they're supposed to give you. So how do you earn these points? Me, I'm going to Xelox, or I'm going to focus more on watching streams and watching clips, because those are my favorite. Right now, if you go to the screen, you can see after you do registration, you're going to start right away wherever you want. What you do, you go to earn, and when you click on earn, it is going to bring for you many clusters on the ways of earning from this platform. Me, I prefer to go to the watch ads. The moment you go to watch ads, it will bring for you different kinds of accounts. These are videos, different videos that you are going to watch. You can link to your account and start watching. So here I already started. You can see my points have already gone to, I've already gotten dollars. I started watching, and what I liked from this platform and why I encourage you to jump into it is, one, this one, there is no clicking next like the previous platforms have been bringing for you. When one ends, another one. But this one, it can pray and it finishes. One of the things that I want to remind you about, and is very beautiful about it, every 1 minute that is watched on this platform gives you 1 point. And for you to withdraw from this platform, you should be having at least 1,000 points. It is very easy for you. If you strategize and sit down, you'll get 1,000 points, which are going to be turned into dollars. Like me now, you can see I just watched for a short time because I was also doing other things. I got 205 points, which are equivalent to 0 point something dollars, which is so good. You can also go ahead and participate in a watch hour, in you can participate in different many things. Seriously, I don't want to lie on this. Let's open now. Let's go practical and go together, and we open one of the ad, or one of the YouTube video. Is it called a YouTube video or a video? Because we don't know. Some of them are from YouTube, some of them are from somewhere. So when you open like this, you can see, you can let it move. Then when you have reached some certain amount of time, it is even going to give you a go ahead and give you where to click and get a bonus of watching ads, the clips, ads only. I want you to get a difference between a video and ads. So the moment you reach some certain level, like where I reached, they will even be giving you a bonus of you watching. You can check it on the screen, a bonus of watching ads. So let's go and see exactly how does this work. It's very easy for you to work on this, and you can do it really seriously. I'll be coming here and I withdraw this money with you, and this one will be in another video. How do you really do this? One, what you do, you have 3 ways of earning, by the way, if you're on watch streams. One, there are 3 different points tokens. Like, for example, that sign you see for dollar, it means those are rewarded points. You get 1 rewarded point for every minute you watch a stream. Then you can see where there is a clock, like a watch. That is for watch time. Most people who are venturing into YouTube, you know what watch time is. Watch time is a duration of time you take to watch a video or a clip or a reel. So this watch time, these points are required to watch streams. Whenever you get more points, they take you and give you a go ahead to watch the streams, which is a plus. These points are required to watch streams. When you have 0 watch points, you will be offered to earn some of the a short watching a short video ad. This is what I already told you. Then watch time can also be acquired through completing offers, surveys, tech quiz, and other things. So here you can click that. For you to get more advantages and benefits, you need to let these videos move such that they give you even a bonus of watching the ads. Then if you see that sign, you can see on my screen there's a sign like an arrow. Those are boost points. Boost points allows you to get 2 times points from watching, acquired by watching short ads and appear on daily challenges. Now for you people, let me tell you, if you ever want to earn on such platforms and you want to understand more, whenever you watch a video like this one, what you do, you go yourself and go open the account, do registration. Later, when you start practicing, you read deep and finish. But if you want to know more about this, about the steps, and even you want coaching, you can join our YouTube family by paying the subscription. You can join our Facebook or our TikTok. We are going to take you in step by step. But let's come now to how do you pay or how do you redeem, because that is a very interesting part that everybody dies to know. What next? If I earn money, if I'm earning my money, what next? Where do I go, or how do I withdraw my money? So for you to withdraw your money, it's very simple. Let me go with you. Like on mine, right now, this is the money that I have. So for you to withdraw this money, you have different ways of withdrawing the money. You have let me see, you have different ways of withdrawing your money, your points. You can see me, I'm still very down. I have 206 points, that is 0.21. So what you do, if let's go together and withdraw and see what will happen. You see, we have PayPal. You can withdraw from PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, please write in the comment section and we can do it together and we open a PayPal account. Then there is Litecoin, this is crypto. Then there's Tether, there's Binance Coin, there's Bitcoin, there's Ethereum, there's Visa. This is now the bank transfers. Amazon, it is for gift cards. Then there's Robux. Here, all of these ones, we are privileged. Like me, I have almost all of them. I have all cryptocurrencies of them because I always use these apps, and at the same time the Binance, all these ones I have them. But if you don't have them, you can get our help from us. At least 1-2 questions I can attend to you freely without going more than 2 questions. So let's go now together and try to at least to pray one of the videos and we'll see how it will be. Go with me and we'll see how we are going to pray this video and how we are going to earn some money from it. Hope you're checking it. So I go to the watch streams like this. You can see it. Watch streams, I'm clicking on any video that I can. You can see it is bringing for me intended to this and this. Then on top it has watch ads, but it is telling me your earning pause. Click here to watch ads. So this is what I was telling you, that the moment you watch more, you get an advantage of watching the ad. So here it is bringing for me also the ad. Now means that I'm going to get also money from the ads, and at the same time I'll get money from the videos. So let's see how the points, you remember we had 206 points. Let's see how many will be added there. Hope we are together. So you can see the way it is running. Please be patient because I told you from now I'll be doing practicals. I'll be doing it with you step by step. And this one is going to help you to, even you yourself, it is going to bring confidence in you. There are some people who feel these things are not real, but anyway, you guys, no one can ever force you to do something unless you are pinched. So wherever you feel pinched, you'll come back here. Wherever you feel pinched, you come back here and make sure that you do these videos, you earn money. So let's see how many points so far that we have now. Aha! Now you continue. No ads are variable, continue this. So far we have, you can see we have added some points. This means we are ready to go. Can I withdraw? And I show you whether it is possible or not possible, and at what amount of money can you withdraw. Let's go together. As I told you, we will have to be doing this together. The main objective of these teachings is for us. Now, when you come on this platform, whenever you have opened your account, you'll see down after the ways to earn money. Down, if you scroll down, you'll see there's earning, there's cash out, there's leaderboard, there's account. So this leaderboard comes in when you also doing the tasks. You can see ends in the leaderboard ends in this time, and it is showing people who have been praying. Can you imagine the people who have been playing games, people who have been playing music streams? There's one person is Thailand. Yala has 3,000 points. Can you imagine? It's in the first press. The person in the second press for today, not for tomorrow, not for it has 2,000 points. The third person has 1,000 points. So, and and for me, I've earned 106 points for today, and I'm currently in the position. I'm in the position of 988 out of 5260. Can you imagine? So you can even check the leaderboard, how people have been praying. This shows you that you are not alone. Most people want to get this money out of there. So why you not join them? You can see how people are there. If Christine is in 500, mine is 106. I'm in 988 position out of 52 and 60. Wow, I'm not the last one. You can be part of them. Yes. So let's go to the cash out. So when we reach here, the cash out, I'm going to use I can use PayPal. Let's first try the PayPal. PayPal, they tell you that PayPal withdrawals are subjected to 5% fee of the withdrawal value. So if you are comfortable with 5%, go for it. But no. And for me, let me place there. For me, I'm not yet eligible to withdraw because I need to have 5,000 points for PayPal because they are taking the 5%. Now, are we going to accept to take 5%? No. Let's go and check also the SIM, another one which doesn't take a lot of money. I have another option. I have Visa. When we go to Visa, Visa is here. Your Visa reward will be available to claim. So what you do, you come here. You also need a minimum amount of 5,000 points maximum. So you have, and you start withdrawing. Delivery, it is 1 day. You will get your money in 1 day. So you guys, I feel you have known how you can go and around this, but make sure that whenever you're going to start, focus, read, understand. Today I got some points whereby some people are telling me, I've tried to play the videos and I'm not getting points. No, you are not getting points because you are not following exactly what you're supposed to follow. As you watch the videos, you need also to read on the screen. What do you need to do next? What do you need to do next? So you guys, hope this one was good. See you in another video tomorrow.